To make a balloon mouse, you have to blow a balloon for about 10 inches only. Now, I chose a gray balloon, but you can choose any color you like. Then, make 3 round bubbles. And lock twist the last 2 bubbles together. You just made the head of your balloon's mouse. Now we are going to make a round bubble, but much smaller than the previous one. This will be the neck of the mouse. For the front legs, we will make 2 more round bubbles about the same size as the 2 ears. And we lock twist them together. We've just made the front legs of the mouse. At this point, this is what your mouse should look like. Let's now make its tummy. The size of the tummy will depend on how much air you have left in the balloon. If there is not too much air, we will have to make a smaller tummy. If there is a lot of air left, we might want to make a much bigger tummy. Let's make the 2 hind legs. That's easy. We just need to make 2 more bubbles exactly the same size as the front legs. And after the second leg, there should only be a little small bubble left. Lock twist these 2 bubbles together. And the hind legs are done. And that little bubble and whatever is left from the balloon will be the tail of the mouse. Here is the little balloon mouse. It was very easy to do, wasn't it?